I want to stress that point again. That sperm count went down 50%, 1% a year. Really scary to hear this. And it's amazing to me that this is not being taught in medical schools. Most physicians don't know about this. The public doesn't know about this. So this is something we really want to bring a lot of attention to, because it affects not only you on a personal level, it also affects our society. Beyond this, studies show that guys with low sperm count have worse health outcomes in the future.
That's so interesting, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Yes. So low sperm count is, I don't want to scare anybody here, but low sperm count is a marker of future health. Sperm count is a marker of future health, and low sperm count is a marker of poor future health. Wow. And particularly more heart disease, more diabetes, more reproductive cancers, and the big kicker is earlier age at death.